Hey guys, Leah here from Unbox, and we want to show you something that landed on our doorstep a couple of days ago. This is Google Wi-Fi. So this came in a set of 3, pero hindi namin natiis, so ginamit na namin yung dalawa. But we set this aside so we can unbox it together. Let's start! So this is the box of Google Wi-Fi. I must say, I really love how simple it looks. You just have the Google logo there, the photo of the product, and at the back, you have some of the key benefits of using it. So, buksan na natin. Alright, let us open it. Ta-da! That's because yan lang yung laman niya sa loob. Well, you have the actual router. Lift the lid, and you have mga instruction cards. It specifically says Philippines, o diba? And then, of course, you have the cables and the plug. That's it. Actually, these are the only things you need to set up your Google Wi-Fi. And honestly, one of my pet peeves sa mga device, yung pag magulo yung cables, yung medyo nagsaspaghetti na siya, nakakainis tignan, diba? So, I like it na pinag-isipan ng Google pati yun because there's a cutout at the bottom so that cables can pass through for better cable management. So, it looks neat, it looks clean, and you can put it on top of your table. It'll go well with everything else at home. And that's it for our unboxing. Bilis lang, no? So, the question now is, simple din ba yung pag-set up ng Google Wi-Fi? The answer is yes. 3 steps lang. First, download the Google Wi-Fi app. Second, unplug your current router, replace it with Google Wi-Fi. And third, follow the instructions of the app. Promise, you can't go wrong. It's very simple. The app is very intuitive. Mabilis lang yan. Now that you've set up your network, the app will be your best friend. And parents, believe me, you want to pay attention. This is the Google Wi-Fi app, and we're showing you the mesh network that we've set up at home. Now, there are a lot of things that you can do on the app, such as setting priority devices, but one thing that really stood out for us is the family Wi-Fi feature. Just like everything else so far, it's very simple to set up. Parents just group together all the devices being used by your kids and it will automatically turn on Safe Search. So you can rest easy knowing na age-appropriate yung mga content na nakikita ng mga kids nyo. So, yay! You can also set schedules for your kids. So, kunwari it's bedtime or it's time to do their homework, the kids automatically won't be able to go online for that period. So, sorry kids. Sabi ko nga kanina, we've already set up 2 Google Wi-Fi devices, but if you need to add one more, it's actually very easy. Just plug it in, refer to the app, and it'll do all the work for you. Google Wi-Fi is a PLDT exclusive, so if you're interested in picking one up, we'll leave a link in the description down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This is Leah. Bye!